Here I just trace the outline of dress and start to give a proper shape to my design using an app ibis paint. So hello everyone, welcome to my channel Fashion Freak. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and also press the red bell icon. And if you enjoy the video, please give a thumbs up, share and also show your love in the comment section below. And if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Now, I took bucket tool to fill the color. Before it, I'll select the section where I want color. And for the selection, I used magic wand tool so that my color will not spread here and there. I used a color palette for my dress, for which I made some samples in the side section. It is very helpful during the color to the dress. There was some pattern in the top of the dress, so I traced very few parts and do copy and paste, by which I got my full pattern in the dress. Now for neck or transparent fabric, I only minimize visibility of the color. It is full up to you how much transparency you want. According that, you can adjust the transparency. I'm trying here yellow color hat. But I don't like so much, so that I tried some lines of yellow color. For giving the effect of silver, we have to use lightest to the darkest color, as here I used some grays and then white, so that it will shine and give a silver effect on the belt. High leather boots are looking so amazing. For giving the effect of leather, I just use some white in front of the light and some dark side of the boot. Where you feel depth, you should do dark colors. Their darker places shows depthness, and for raised area you use some lights. It raised and feels some volume. If you have any suggestion or any doubt, feel free to write in the comment section. Like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon.